everyone, welcome to the new video with the new chapter, prepositions. So what are prepositions? Prepositions are the position words. So let's start the chapter. Chapter 17, prepositions. Oh, in this chapter you will learn what is a preposition and use of preposition. Now what is a preposition? Preposition क्या होता है? Read the following sentences carefully. The book is on the table. The table is in the class. The class is next to the principal's office. Principal's office is on the ground floor on the school. School is in Connaught Place. Connaught Place is in Delhi. Now, in the above sentences, जो given words हैं, they all are prepositions. Thus, we can say a preposition is used before a noun or a pronoun. हम preposition को use कर सकते हैं noun या pronoun से पहले and tells the relation with other nouns and pronouns in a sentence. तो other noun और pronoun के साथ उनका relation हम बताते हैं. Like use of prepositions. Let us learn something more about preposition of place के बारे में हम और पढ़ेंगे. Over, above, under, below, beneath, between, among. There are some more preposition of place. We use the words on, over and above को हम use कर रहे हैं. Depend करता है on how high the object or person is. The apples are on the table. A cover is over the apples. A bulb is above the table. Similarly, हम use करते हैं under, below, beneath, depending on how much lower object or person कितना नीचे है. The cat is under the tree. The roots of the tree grow below the ground. Precious stones are formed beneath the surface of the earth. We use between. हम between का use करते हैं जब हम बात करते हैं about something or someone in between two people या two groups. किसी भी दो चीज के बीच में अगर कोई चीज है, चाहे वो दो person के बीच में कोई बैठा हुआ है, दो things रखी है उनके बीच में कोई और चीज है, तो there was a table between the two courts. Today there is a football match between class 7A and 7B. We use among when we talk about something or someone in between more than two people से ज्यादा होते हैं तो उनमें हम among use करते हैं. Distribute the sweets among your classmates. We use for if we don't have to calculate the period of time. अगर हम for को use करते हैं अगर हमें calculate नहीं करना पड़ता period of time को because we have it in the sentence. तो वो sentence में होता है. I have lived here for 2 months. We don't have to calculate. We know the period हमें पता है 2 months है. We use since को हम use करते हैं अगर हमें calculate करना होता है period of time because we only have the starting point. I have lived here since 2012. In this sentence we have to calculate if you come in 2012 तो starting point हो गया and now it is 2026. Then 2026 में से हम 2012 को minus कर रहे हैं 14 years आ गए. Now it's time to answer. Take the correct option. Prepositions are used before. Prepositions को हम noun pronoun दोनों से पहले use कर देते हैं. This is a preposition. To. This is not a preposition. इनमें से कौन सा preposition नहीं है? और आपका conjunction word हो जाता है. Now fill in the blanks with suitable preposition. The patient is lying dash the bed on the bed. The hotel is dash the airport near the airport. He did not care dash his health of his health. Rohini will agree dash you on this matter. We'll agree with you on this matter. We called dash our new neighbors to welcome them. We called to our new neighbors. Neetu is going dash her parents. Neetu is going with her parents. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Go through it again. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.